morning, moms! I'm Coco! Are you trying to get your kids out of bed? Well, I have my own morning pampagana dance that will get them to rise and shine so they can be galing all throughout the day. Let's do all the steps again from the top.
Let's have chocolate breakfast. Let's have Koko Crunch. We'll do anything